All right, well, when Wake Up Today returns, you've got some special guests.
That's right. Local entertainers are helping children heal with music. It's called Make 'em Smile. It's a great program. We'll tell you about that when we return. Please stay with us. This morning, we all have our Make 'em Smile buttons. We're joined by Seymour Kazimierski and also, of course, the longtime entertainer and the one and only Jimmy Borges. Good morning to you both, gentlemen.
Thank you very much.
I want to start with you, Seymour. If you could tell us about Make 'em Smile. What a great idea. We've been talking about it all morning long. We saw the launch yesterday, and I'm getting chicken skin just thinking about it. I know you were there. The smiles, I mean, it's a great concept, but boy, did you deliver yesterday to those patients.
Well, it was absolutely wonderful. We had Mailani there, and she sang so beautifully. We were all extremely touched by it. Not just the kids, but the parents as well, the staff. It was something that we conceived about 2 months ago, and I asked Jimmy and Leah Bernstein from out in Apple to help us out. And immediately they said, let's do it. And we put together a group of entertainers. The hospital loves the idea. We're there Wednesdays and Fridays from 11 to 1 o'clock. And we do it totally volunteer basis. Nobody is paid for it. It's just something we want to do to give back.
What a super idea, Seymour. Super idea. And Jimmy, entertainers are saying, yes, how do I get involved?
They jump on board. First of all, I got him in touch with Seymour. But people like Loretta Oblacer, you know, and we have John Valentine, who's the uncle of Bruno Mars. We have Janai, Brother Nolan, and Ed Infinitum. They're all jumping on board right now. They want to be part and parcel of this.
We're looking at video from yesterday's debut, inaugural event, and tell us about the smiles that you saw, Jimmy. And this is what it's really all about.
I was in tears almost the whole 2 hours that we were there, mainly because what you see there, you see, here's Mailani with her warm, beautiful music, but the children are there, and what we don't see is their parents behind them. Many times you see the parents in bed with the children, holding them and hugging them, and that's, you see the family in total like that touching you. Yeah. It's so touching.
And healing. And Seymour, that was the catalyst of the song. I mean, it helped. Music helps you heal. I'm getting just teary-eyed just looking at that video because you could see the healing in process.
Yeah,
it was amazing. I'm a former musician, and of course, Jimmy and I have known each other for 40 years, and it's something that we want to give back. And the Ohana here in Hawaii is such that the musicians all feel very, very close to Kapiolani Hospital, and that's why we started it there. But we're moving it. It's going on to other hospitals, maybe even hospices this fall. So we can do this not just for kids, but for anybody who needs, from our heart to their heart.
Beautiful. Jimmy, you wanted to share something.
Yeah, Mailani said this, and it really touches the heart. Kapiolani had great insight as to the needs of her people. She feels that she's a product of that past and believes in perpetuating that legacy that has given so much to her. So this is Mailani's feeling as part and parcel of the whole thing with Queen Kapiolani and her hospital. So it just falls into place, and there's a whole bunch of them doing the same thing.
Indeed, and I can imagine like I said, the entertainers lining up, and you'll be scheduling for the rest of the year. But so far, you're booked solid.
We're booked solid
for a couple of months. But I want to show you some information how you can be a part of this, or just some information on it. The Make 'em Smile project, Kapiolani Medical Center, Wednesday and Friday. Yesterday was the launch, 11 to 1, and those 2 hours are golden. I'd imagine golden. And for more information, call 551-3222. Seymour, this is your email how to get a touch of you, but I know that you're working on a different website as well.
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, so we'll share that with our viewers when that becomes available. Gentlemen, thank you so much, and thank you for the work that Kapiolani Medical Center does for our children and our families. My 2 of my 3 came early, and without Kapiolani, boy, I don't know where we would have been.
Wow.
Yeah. Gentlemen, thank you.
Thank you, Ron.
Jimmy, always good to see you. Seymour,
thank you very much.
Wonderful job. And Make 'em Smile, folks, it works. Music heals. We saw that in the video right now. And This makes me feel warm inside to know that somebody's thinking like this out of the box.
Thank you.
And helping our island community. All right, top headlines of the day coming your way next. We thank you for starting your part of your morning with Wake Up Today. Please stay with us.